Here's a foot bath from the early 1900s. So this is 120 plus years old. It's in very good condition. It's 22 inches side to side and 19 inches front to back. And it stands 15 inches tall. And you can see you have the drain in there. The drain's intact. And you have the water fill outlet right here. So here's how this drain operates. The overflow. There's a tube here and there's an inner tube. And when this is in the down position, it closes off the outlet here so no water can escape. So now when you turn the water on, the water will fill inside the tub. It also fills inside of this tube to the same amount. Whatever level is in here is also in here. Now there's an overflow built into the inner tube. So the inner tube, here's your inner tube. There's your overflow right there. And the inside tube has a hole in the middle here. So when the water comes into here and then it drains out. So this is a hidden overflow. During World War I, the factories turned their production from civilian use to military use. And after the war, they learned new technologies and new ways of doing things. So this type of drain was discontinued. So starting in 1920, hardly any more of these were manufactured. They'd simplified the whole process. This type of drain system was common from the 1890s into about 1920. Another example of new manufacturing techniques entering the manufacturing process is during World War II. In the 30s, the O-ring was invented and it was patented. And the basic simple rubber O-ring sat in the patent office and nobody was interested in it. It just sat there collecting dust. Then when World War II came around, they had the new manufacturing needs. The people went back and they found that in the patent office and they put it into use. And the O-ring has become an item used almost everywhere since. It's been now a very, very common item, but it took World War II to bring it out of the patent office.